Please don't skip any part of the video because somewhere in between, I'll tell you a quick shortcut which will help you to solve all such questions very easily. So stay tuned till the end, guys. Hi guys, this is your next question from Cat 23, the third slot. You can pause the video and try solving it once, and you can resume the video for the solution. So first things first, you have to know these two algebraic formulae by heart, and these are exactly what we're going to apply in this given question. We have been given x is a positive real number such that x raised to 8 plus 1 upon x the whole raised to 8 is 47. Then the value of x raised to 9 plus 1 upon x raised to 9 is. Alright, so let's start. We have x raised to 8 plus 1 upon x raised to 8 can be written as 1 upon x raised to 8 only. This has been given to us as 47. Now we'll start by adding a 2 on both sides first of all. So our left hand side is actually x raised to 4 the whole square, that's x power 8 for you, plus 1 upon x raised to 8 is actually 1 upon x raised to 4 the whole square, plus 2 can simply be written as 2 into x raised to 4 into 1 upon x raised to 4, which will be equal to 47 plus 2 or 49. If you now notice your left hand side, it is of the form a square plus 2ab plus b square. So left hand side is a plus b the whole square. X raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is equal to 49. Taking square roots, I will get x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 is plus or minus 7. But the question says x is a positive real number. So we have only one possible value, that is plus 7. And now we repeat this procedure 2 more times. Just add a 2 to both sides. Your left hand side now becomes x square plus 1 upon x square the whole square is equal to 7 plus 2 would be 9, and that gives me x square plus 1 upon x square will be plus 3. Right? One last time we do this, we'll get x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2 should be equal to 3 plus 2, or x plus 1 upon x the whole square is your left hand side. That will be equal to 3 plus 2, 5 on the right hand side, which finally gives me x plus 1 upon x is root 5. And this is our most important link in this question. So now this is our new starting point. We will now start by cubing both sides. As we learnt in our formula, we will get x plus 1 upon x the whole cube should be equal to root 5 the whole cube. Right? Our left hand side is the expansion a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. As you have learned in the beginning, the same expansion is being used here. Root 5 cube will be 5 root 5. Now guys, next step, x will get cancelled out since it's obviously non-zero. We observe that we get x plus 1 upon x here. And that value we already know is root 5. So we'll put it here. We'll get x cube plus 3 into root 5 plus 1 upon x cube will be 5 root 5. Subtract 3 root 5 from both sides. We get x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5, that is 2 root 5. We just have one last step to go. We have already found x cube plus 1 upon x cube is 2 root 5. We just cube both sides again. We get x cube plus 1 upon x cube. The whole cube will be 2 root 5 the whole cube. So we have cubed the whole thing again. X cube is x raised to 9 plus 3 into x cube into 1 upon x cube into x cube plus 1 upon x cube, right? A cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. 1 upon x cube the whole cube is 1 upon x raised to 9 is equal to 2 root 5 the whole cube. Guys, 2 cube is 8 and root 5 cube is 5 root 5. So this becomes 8 into 5, 40 root 5. X cube obviously gets cancelled out. And x cube plus 1 upon x cube we already know is 2 root 5. So we get x raised to 9 plus 3 into 2 root 5 plus 1 upon x raised to 9 is 40 root 5. 3 2s are 6 root 5. So subtracting 6 root 5 from both sides, I get x raised to 9 plus 1 upon x raised to 9 is 40 root 5 minus 6 root 5, which is 34 root 5. And that is very clearly the D option. Okay, 34 root 5. Okay, now I accept that this may not look like to be the best method to solve the given question, but there is a very quick shortcut to solve these question types, and that we'll see right now. Let's suppose x plus 1 upon x is equal to k. Now what if I square both sides? On squaring both sides, I will get a square plus 2ab plus b square. And that should be equal to k square, right? X will get cancelled out. And we take 2 on the right hand side. So what do I get? I get a standard result for all such questions, right? X square plus 1 upon x square should be equal to k square minus 2, right? So we can understand that whenever x plus 1 upon x is worth k, x square plus 1 upon x square will be k square minus 2. The interesting part is we can observe something similar by cubing both sides. By cubing both sides, I will have a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube will be equal to k cube. Once again, this x gets cancelled out and x plus 1 upon x will be worth k. So I'll get x cube plus 3 into k plus 1 upon x cube is equal to k cube. Taking this 3k on the right hand side, I will get x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to k cube minus 3k. Right? So now you can remember these results as a standard. Whenever you come across these question types, you can directly jump into the question and attack the question with these shortcuts. So let's see how we do it here. So let us now suppose x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 was equal to k. X raised to 8 is the square of x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 8 is the square of 1 upon x raised to 4. So by the discussion we have made right now, its value should be k square minus 2. And this value has been given in the question as 47. So we know that k square minus 2 is 47 or k square is 49. K can be plus or minus 7. But since x is a positive real number in all these cases, I will stick to k is equal to 7. So without too many calculations, I have directly obtained x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x raised to 4 as 7. If I call x square plus 1 upon x square as, let's say, k, then x raised to 4 is the square of x square and 1 upon x raised to 4 is the square of 1 upon x square. So x raised to 4 plus 1 upon x square should be equal to k square minus 2 from the discussion that we have had. And very clearly we see this k square minus 2 being equal to 7. When I equate k square minus 2 with 7, I will get k square is equal to 9 or k is equal to plus 3 in this case since x is positive. That means x square plus 1 upon x square should be equal to 3. When I take x plus 1 upon x as k, I know that x square plus 1 upon x square should be k square minus 2. And we know this k square minus 2 as 3. If k square minus 2 is 3, k square will be 3 plus 2, 5, or k will be plus root 5 in this case, or root 5. So from here we can figure out x plus 1 upon x is equal to root 5. So now you realize all those complicated steps that we did become so simple in this particular case by the small formula that we have seen right now. Now last two steps to get our answer, guys. X plus 1 upon x is root 5. Let's call that as k. If I cube both sides, then I know that x cube plus 1 upon x cube will be equal to k cube minus 3k. So putting k as root 5, I straight away get the answer for x cube plus 1 upon x cube as root 5 cube minus 3 into root 5. Root 5 cube is 5 root 5 minus 3 root 5 will be 2 root 5. Okay, so x cube plus 1 upon x cube is 2 root 5 Now the last step to get our answer. Okay, let us call that as k. So x raised to 9 is the cube of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. The cube is 1 upon x raised to 9. That will be equal to k cube minus 3k. But k we know is 2 root 5. So we put that in place of k in that given equation to get our answer. We get x raised to 9 plus 1 upon x raised to 9 is 2 root 5 ka cube minus 3 into 2 root 5. 2 root 5 ka cube will be 2 cube, that is 8, into root 5 cube is 5 root 5, minus 3 into 2 into root 5 is 6 root 5. So finally I have 8 into 5, 40 root 5 minus 6 root 5, or 34 root 5 as the answer to my question. It is the D option, right? So I want you all to remember this particular shortcut, this particular logic by heart. And also please consider checking out my course where I've discussed all shortcuts of this type in detail. See you around. Bye bye.